Welcome to Tutorial 5. This tutorial will walk you through how to create a SafeRoutes program after logging into the data system. This assumes you already have an email and a password. If you need to create login credentials or if you've forgotten your login information, please see tutorials 3 and 4. First, this tutorial will describe how to create a single new program and how to assign schools to that program. As a reminder, you can assign multiple schools to each program. We will address how to create multiple programs and assign schools to those programs at the end of this tutorial. For more information on the relationship between programs and schools within the data system, please see Tutorial 2. If you're not already logged into the data system, please log in at saferoutesdata.org under the Returning User section. You will be directed to the Welcome page. Next, click the link that reads Add New Program. Notice the navigation menu on the left of your screen. The highlighted section indicates which page you are on in the data system. As you move through creating your program in schools, the menu option highlighted will change accordingly. This highlight feature is useful particularly for reorienting you to your location in the data system in the event you feel lost. You should now be on the Add Program Information page. Please provide the information requested. If the contact person associated with this program changes, you may come back to this page and update it at a later time. Once you have entered all the required information, click the Save and Continue to Funding History button, which will allow you to record funding history for the program you just created. If you need to exit the program at this point, sign out using the link at the upper right corner of the screen. You can always return at a later time to finish setting up the program. Now, you should be on the Program Funding History page. Click the blue link that says Add Program Funding Info. Next, provide the funding information requested. Please complete this page even if your program has not received funding to support your SafeRoutes activities, since some of the questions will still be relevant to you. You have the ability to come back and edit your answers at a later time. Once you have entered the funding information, click the Save and Continue to Activity button. Notice you will see that you're moving through the left menu as indicated by the highlighted section. Now you should be on the Program Activity History page. Click the blue link Add Program Activity Info. This page allows you to indicate what activities your program either plans to target or has already completed. These types of activities have been categorized according to the 4 E's: engineering, education, encouragement, and enforcement. Please provide the requested information, and remember you can always come back and edit this page at a later time. After you have checked all the necessary activities, click the Save and Continue to Schools button to view existing or add new schools to this program. Now you should be on the School Information page. Click the blue link Add a School. Provide the information requested. You will notice that some of the fields have been auto-populated with the program contact information provided earlier. You may change this information to reflect the school contact if needed. Doing so will not change any of the program contact information entered earlier. Note, if you are trying to create a school with the same name as one that already exists in the data system for the same city, you will get an error message. The error message will direct you to request permission from the school's existing contact person. Requesting permission is covered in more detail in Tutorial 11. Once you have entered all the required school contact information, click the Save and Continue to School Involvement button. The School Involvement page will walk you through how to enter information about student, parent, and community involvement in each school associated with your program. From the School Involvement History page, click Add School Involvement Info. First, confirm that the school name is accurate and then provide the requested information. Remember, this information should be current for each travel tally and parent survey collection time period. For example, if you resurvey parents and students in 6 months, you will need to add a new school involvement record. Once you have entered the requested information, you have several options. In order to submit travel tally and parent survey data, you can mail hard copies of your travel tallies and surveys to the National Center for Data Entry by clicking the Save and Print to Mail Travel Tally and Survey button. See Tutorial 7 for further instructions on mailing your data to the National Center. If you plan to enter travel tally and parent survey data yourself, please click the Save and Enter Online Tallies and Surveys button and then see Tutorial 9 for further instructions. For the remainder of this tutorial, we will discuss how to add more schools to this program. To do this, please click the Save and View School Involvement History button. You should now see the school involvement records you just created. If you need to add another school, click School Information in the navigation menu to the left. You should see the list of schools within this program. Click the blue link that reads Add New School. Provide the information requested as you did in the previous steps. Then click the Save and Continue to School Involvement button. Click the blue Add School Involvement link and provide the school involvement history information requested. If you need to add even more schools, please repeat these last few steps by returning to the school information page in the left menu and adding another school until you have included a record for every school in your program. If you need to create a totally new second program and then add new schools to this additional program, please click the Program List link at the top left of your page. Next, click the Add New Program link under the Welcome message and then follow the steps outlined earlier in this tutorial for creating a program and its schools. This concludes our tutorial on how to create a Safe Routes program after logging into the data system. Thank you.